So guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm gonna take you all around my backyard. So guys, I have some lovely vegetables around the back, so I'm gonna be cutting them, harvesting some of it, and you guys can see what I'm doing. So guys, welcome all those who are new. My name is Michelle, otherwise known as Michi Boo. That's the channel name. So guys, I hope you will subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, let's go around the back and see what I can find. So guys, today I am going to cut this cabbage, and I'm going to cut it from the side. You don't root the cabbage up because you can get another cabbage from this. So guys, this is the cabbage. It's a small one, medium size. So I'm going to take it inside and I'm going to make a lovely dish. And guys, I move over to my silver beets. So I'm going to cut maybe four of them. They are very big. So I'm going to steam these just like how you steam callaloo, guys, with the cabbage. Let me see if I can get another one. Yeah. So guys, this is what I'm going to look after. I'm going to go in and I'm going to wash them. And I'm going to steam up a storm. Woohoo! Cook up a storm, guys. So guys, I just cut a piece of scallion. And I'm going to get some thyme also. So guys, I'm cutting a piece of thyme. And I'm going to cut a sweet pepper. And we are going to go and cook up a storm, guys. So I'm going inside. So guys, I cut up half of the cabbage already. So now I'm going to add my silver beet and my seasoning and cook this down. Here I've washed my silver beet already. And I'm going to cut them up. So guys, as you see, I started cutting up my spring onion. You can call it scallion in Jamaica, that's what we call it. So now I'm going to cut up. So guys, I've washed these in salt and water. You can just squeeze them up just like this. Cut them up. Everything is organic, guys, from the garden. This is my sweet pepper. This is my thyme from a garden. So guys, as you see, I'm putting everything. Now I'm gonna add the spring onion. So guys, I don't want to use I want to use majority of what I get from the garden, so you're not going to see any onion. The spring onion acts, or the scallion acts just like the onion. So I'm just going to add some pumpkin to it. I've added the frozen pumpkin, and I'm going in with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and I use the cholesterol free spread instead of butter. So now I'm just going to cook it down. Look how nice this looks, guys, and you can get everything from your garden. So I'm going to cover it and get back to you. So guys, I'm checking the pumpkin. Is at the bottom. Well, they almost cooked. We need a little bit more cooking. I'm not going to stir it up yet until the pumpkin is cooked. I have it on low heat, so I'll give it a little bit more time. I cut up 2 tomatoes from my garden and add to it. I didn't want to put them in early. This is my organic tomato. I cut it up on the same board that I cut my green vegetables on. So guys, it's almost finished. I add the tomato to it. So let's check to see how soft the pumpkin is. Still want to cook a little bit more, for 5 minutes more, guys, and then I'll incorporate everything together. So guys, the pumpkin cooked, and this is all organic, guys. The cabbages from my garden, the silver beet, the onion, the scallion, the sweet pepper, the tomato, everything is from my garden. So guys, you can have this with some fried dumpling. And I didn't put butter, I used cholesterol free spread in there, and I might just top it off with a little bit of olive oil. So guys, I've added the olive oil. This is the olive oil, just a drizzle. You don't have to cook this anymore. So guys, I'm gonna serve up some with some rice, maybe, or some, I'll just have some for breakfast, or some leftover rice which I can use, but I feel like I'm gonna have this with fried dumplings. So guys, have a lovely weekend. Big up and bless up. Guys, I've decided to have it with some curry chicken. So this is in the evening, guys. So subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video.